Hi, my name is Ali Shersava, and in this short video, I'm going to explain what to expect when you attend one of our face-to-face workshops. Control loop design is perhaps one of the most challenging parts of designing a power supply. And in this intensive 4-day hands-on workshop, we will teach you almost everything that you need to know. If you're new to power supply design and perhaps haven't designed a control loop since university, or if you're an experienced power supply designer looking to take trial and error and guesswork out of your control loop designs, then this workshop is for you. Starting from basic fundamentals, we will teach how to design robust and stable control loops for power supplies, covering all major hard switch topologies from buck and forward to boost and flyback. You will learn how to design both voltage mode and peak current mode controllers for DC-DC applications, and we also dive into average current mode control for offline AC-DC power supplies with a power factor corrector. These workshops run in Montreal and Munich, both fantastic cities with excellent transport links including public transportation, so you don't need to rent a car to join us. We typically start at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, allowing for a stress-free arrival on Monday, and wrap up around lunchtime on Friday, giving you plenty of time to catch a flight home or to stay and enjoy a bit more of Montreal or Munich. We transform our classroom into a fully equipped lab before you arrive so that everything is ready for you. You will be working in pairs at one of our 10 workstations. Depending on the workshop, each workstation will be equipped with an oscilloscope, laptop, network analyzer, spectrum analyzer, listen, and a whole bunch of custom designed teaching boards that we have created specifically for these hands-on workshops. We are confident that you will enjoy our classes. To join us, please click on the link below.